Welcome back to Traveler's Place, where today we're diving into one of the most vibrant experiences you can have in the Philippines, food markets. If you're passionate about tasting local flavors, meeting unique characters, and getting a real feel for the heart of a destination, you're in for a treat, because we're heading straight into the lively world of El Nido's market scene. First off, let's set the scene. El Nido sits right at the northern tip of Palawan, surrounded by breathtaking limestone cliffs and crystal-clear waters that attract travelers from all over the globe. While the town itself is still relatively small, with just around 50,000 residents, it's famous for its laid-back charm, stunning nearby islands, and of course, its bustling street markets. These markets blend local culture, fresh produce, and a friendly atmosphere that gets every visitor's curiosity going. So what makes food markets in the Philippines so special? Here, markets feel more like daily festivals. Vendors set up colorful stalls selling everything from freshly harvested fruit to grilled seafood, homemade snacks, and local delicacies. Families wander from table to table, sharing samples, laughing loudly, and bargaining with cheerful sellers. The market is not just about food, it's a hub for the community, a place where stories are exchanged and local traditions come alive. Plus, you get a sprinkle of every flavor the Philippines is famous for: sweet, salty, tangy, and always memorably tasty. Now let's talk about the real stars, the food. On El Nido's markets, you'll spot heaps of mangoes, bananas, and pineapples grown right on the islands. There are exotic fruits too: guava, lanzones, and the desert-like purple yam known as ube. Locally raised chicken and pork play a big part, and the fish selection is unbeatable. Snapper, grouper, shrimp, crabs, and sometimes even sea urchins. All this food is displayed with flair and prepared with generations-old recipes, blending Spanish, Malay, and native Filipino influences. The market is a paradise for adventurous taste buds, so don't be shy, sample everything you can. Thanks for exploring El Nido's markets with Traveler's Place. If you loved getting a taste of the Philippines today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any delicious adventure coming up. Like this video if food brings you joy, and tell us in the comments, what destination would you like us to discover in the next episode? Your ideas inspire us, so keep them coming and keep traveling.